Lutho uphuma phi?
Eastern Cape, East London.
Kokufunda phi apha?
Ndifunda e-UJ.
And ufunda ndo?
Sport science.
Sport science. Unyaka wesingaphi la?
First year.
It's about to go back.
So ngamanje nemibuzo emihlanu enifuna ukubuza yona upha mind.
I don't mind.
Ready mos?
Ready.
Indoni ithini ifani kaMandela?
Mandela ifani yakhe.
Ifani kaMandela ngubani?
Mandela.
Yes.
U6 plus 7 ngu11 okanye ngu11?
11.
11.
11.
Ayingo 11.
11.
1 plus 1. Yesiri.
Kawugqibezele ese statement ne? Kukhanya
Kaphinde.
kukhanya
Go Yay. Yay. Yo. Yay. Yo.
kawundiphe i-radio stations ezona ezinkulu eMpumalanga uzazi.
Mpumalanga. Andiyazi ngeMpumalanga.
Hey! I never! Hey, ningadlali! Hey, ningadlali man! Hi man!
U99,000 plus 1 ukunika ngapi?
99,000. I think 10,000. 10,000.
Yes.
99,000 plus 1.
100,000.
Yini mama? Yini?
What language do blind people speak?
They speak normal language.
In what year was the Soccer World Cup held in South Africa?
It was 2010.
I wish if this can happen each and every after 2 weeks or monthly. Yeah.
What goes up but never comes down?
Goes up and never comes down. Gravity.
What? What?
Yeah, Jesus, God me, help me.
Price of petrol maybe?
Price of petrol. Yeah, price of petrol, nokutya and food.
Eyiphi yona radio station eyi-1 apha eMzantsi Afrika broadcaster ngesiNdebele?
Ndebele FM.
Ndebele FM.
Yeah.
Kawujonga i-t-shirt yam.
Ikwekwezi. Oh, Ikwekwezi FM.
Uyayisebenzisa i-Wi-Fi?
Yes.
Umele ntoni Wi-Fi?
I don't know. Andiyazi.
Bafethu. Ay, khona.
I don't know.
Okay sir.
Wi-Fi.
Sifumane usemkhanyweni wobumnandi ilwazi ifundo zemidlalo nendaba kuKwekwezi FM kukhanya ba